In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Microsoft Excel file to Notion the easiest way, perfect for beginners. We'll keep this simple and friendly, so you can follow along even if you're brand new to Notion or OneDrive. The goal is to display your Excel file right inside a Notion page so you can reference it without switching tabs, and so it stays in sync with the source file. Start by heading to OneDrive and locating the Excel file you want to use. This can be any workbook you've already saved to your OneDrive. Take a moment to confirm it's the correct file and that it lives in the right folder, especially if you work with multiple versions. Knowing exactly which file you're linking will keep your Notion page accurate. Next, right-click that file and select Copy Link. This creates a shareable link to the workbook. You don't need to download anything or export it. The link is all Notion needs to pull in a live preview. If your organization uses specific sharing settings, the link will follow those rules automatically. Now open Notion and go to the page where you want the Excel file to appear. This could be a project dashboard, a meeting notes page, or a team wiki. Choose a spot on the page that makes sense for your workflow, so the preview is easy to find later. Paste the OneDrive link directly into Notion. As soon as you do, Notion recognizes it and prepares to embed the file. If a prompt appears asking you to connect, click Connect to OneDrive and allow access. This securely links your Microsoft account to Notion so the preview can display and stay up to date. It's a quick authorization, and you only need to do it when prompted. After that, your Excel file appears as a live preview inside Notion. You'll see the workbook render right on the page, and it will reflect updates from the source file on OneDrive. That means if you or a teammate adjusts data in the original Excel file, the Notion preview will mirror those changes. Depending on your permissions, others viewing the Notion page may need access to the file in OneDrive to see the preview. If you want to keep things organized, you can add a simple heading like Excel File Preview above the embed to label it clearly. A short label helps teammates understand what they're looking at a glance. And that's how you add a Microsoft Excel file to Notion quickly and easily. Like, share, and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tutorials.